Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you where you can get the Cyberpower utility software. So this is for the Cyberpower UPS or uninterrupted power supply. So you could get it on Cyberpower's website. I'll leave the link in the descriptions below. So this is the software that you get. I downloaded it and installed it in my computer. I have a Cyberpower, I think it's a EC550G or something like that. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the one that I have, but it's all the same for every other Cyberpower UPS device. So once you install it, you get a screen like this. It's in your Windows startup section. So even if you close it, you can go back and open it like that. Right now, it's showing that I'm using 119 volts on my on the computer that I'm using. It's using 182 now, 122. It kind of like oscillates or fluctuates. Um, so this software is important to have if you're kind of like, if you leave your computer on all day and stuff like that. You want it so that when there's a power outage or something, this software shuts down your uninterrupted power supply unit. So this power rating for this is 330 watts. And you could set it up so that it shuts down after the power is cut off. So it says keep computer running. It says shut down this computer when remaining battery power is only 5 minutes. I don't like this one. I want to right if the power gets shut off or if it gets interrupted in some way, like there's a brownout, I want this computer to shut down like 1 minute or 0 minutes after it starts. So I set it to preserve battery power. Shut down this computer after UPS runs on battery for 1 minute. So if there's a power outage, it's going to detect the power is out for about 1 minute. It's going to keep itself on for 1 minute and shut off. That's what it's going to do. Very important to have. If you have multiple computers running in a network and you want to use this management software, you could, but you would have to create an account on called Power Panel Cloud Solutions. Don't know what this is. And you could basically do that, or you could just put the software on each computer and set it like this so that when the power goes out, it just shuts down. So that's much more simple. So this is basically this video is about home computer usage, not the enterprise setting. So you could go into this. So this video isn't about that. So it's just about showing you how to basically use a Cyberpower UPS utility program like this. In addition to that, you do need something called a USB-A cable like this. You need to connect it. This part goes into your Cyberpower UPS unit. I think the connector is near this area right here. You just connect this end to that, and that other end connects to your computer's USB port. And that's basically all you have to do for the hardware end of it. So anyways, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.